Check out this view in the beautiful Montego Bay, Jamaica. Welcome back to the channel. Now today we are bringing a Jamaican twist to three powerful veggies: cabbage, broccoli and carrots. These are not just staples in a healthy diet, they are also ingredients we love to use in Jamaican cooking, so stick around for the health benefits. Alright, let's start with cabbage. Did you know that it is a key ingredient in Jamaican steamed vegetables? Drop a comment below if you've ever had it with saltfish or brown stew chicken or in any other combination. Now, cabbage is loaded with vitamin C to boost your immune system, and the fiber in cabbage helps to keep your digestion in check. Plus, it has a detoxifying compound called glucosinolates that help cleanse your body naturally. Now let's talk about the sweet and vibrant carrot. Now, Jamaican carrot juice is a classic. Let me know in the comments if you've ever tried it before. Now, carrots are full of beta-carotene which help with vision and skin health. They're also naturally sweet, making them perfect for both savory dishes and desserts. Now, even though carrots are sweet, they are low in calorie and high in fiber. So they are definitely a great choice if you're trying to lose weight. I will also be adding some sweet peppers, also known as bell pepper. And these are an excellent source of vitamin C, and you know that boosts your immune system. Next we have broccoli, which is like the cousin to cabbage. Broccoli is packed with sulfur, a compound that helps fight inflammation and support your immune system. Now in Jamaica we might saute it with some garlic for kick, but it's definitely a good vegetable to add to your plate. Broccoli also contains potassium, which supports a healthy blood pressure. Now when you combine cabbage, broccoli and carrots, you get a triple effect of nutrients that support your overall health. Now let's break it down. I'm also adding scallion, otherwise known as green onions. I will also be adding some onions which contain compounds that help to protect your cells from damage. Onions are a good source of vitamin C, B6 and manganese, and they can also help to fight bacteria and viruses. Now the combination of these veggies create an antioxidant powerhouse that reduces inflammation. Can you imagine that this combination helps to boost your immunity? It supports digestion, it reduces inflammation, and it helps to regulate your blood pressure. You don't need anything more than that. Now, many people don't like veggies because they don't know how to cook it to make it taste good. But I'm telling you, if you had the right seasonings, you can't stop eating vegetables. Alright, so you'll always need to toss your veggies from time to time to evenly distribute the season. As you can see, I put too much in this pot. I really need to invest in a good wok. Don't forget that the quality of your ingredients really determine the quality of your dish. For this recipe, I'm using this butter made from olive oil. Now, as the veggies cook, they will start to shrink as they release water. That is why you really don't need to add any liquid when you're steaming or cooking vegetables. You will also realize that you finally have more room in the pot, like me, because mine was full to the top. This is a good side dish if you're trying to lose weight. All you need is some really good carbs on the side, like sweet potatoes, and some lean protein, maybe fish or even some type of chicken, and you're good to go. This dish is low in calories, high in fiber, and packed with nutrients. Thanks for watching, and now check out a clip from my beautiful island of Jamaica. See you in the next one.